Oh, and it's funny you mention that because I tell Dave all the time. I was like, we're not correcting paint. Everybody goes paint correction, paint correction. We're not correcting paint. We're clear coat correcting, because what you do, you got your bare substrate, then you have your primer, then you have your paint, then you have your clear coat. That is how cars are done. But what I will say, just to get away from that rant before I get crazy about that, because I get crazy about it.
That's interesting stuff, though. It's important.
Well, it just annoys me how detailers get stuck on buzzwords. Paint correction. Oh my God, we're doing paint correction. We're doing paint correction. Do you know what the fuck you're talking about? Let's get technical here, because y'all met me when I was a software engineer for National Oil of Arco, and that's what I was doing. Technicalities mean everything. Every word you use means something, and you need to use the right word so that it conveys throughout the chain, or to the mechanics, or to the electricians, or to everybody. So use your words wisely and correctly.